Before I get into the meat of this course, I wanted to make sure that you knew how to save a PowerPoint slide as an image. That way, if as you get into it, you start creating images, you'll know what to do to save it as an image and won't lose all of your hard work. So first of all, I recommend that you first save it as PowerPoint because you can edit the PowerPoint slide easily. So you would just click on File, and then Save As, and you would select where to save it. So let's say I'm just going to save it to my desktop into the Skillshare folder, and you would just click on Save. Now the good news is that's essentially the same way that you save an image. The only difference is that, let's say after you've saved it as a SlideShare presentation, you could just click on the Save As again, and you can scroll down here and you'll see all of these different types of formats that you can save your image as. So for example, you could save it as a JPEG if you wanted to. Now first I'm going to go ahead though and save this as a PowerPoint presentation and then show you what happens. So it's now saved as a PowerPoint. Let me go and I'm going to do Save As. And we're going to just save it in the same place where I saved it already, which is my desktop and my Skillshare folder. And I am going to save it as a JPEG. Click on Save. And it will ask, which slides do you want to export? All slides or just this one? So let's say that you had a PowerPoint presentation with several slides. You might only want to save one of the slides as an image, or you might want to save all of them as an image. So in this case, I only have one, but usually I just click on just this one. All right, now let's go to that and we will open it up. Okay, and you'll notice now that it is here in Paint, and you can do whatever you want to from there. For example, you can save the pixels and so on. And this really isn't a course on Paint, so I'm not going to go too far into that, but that's just an example of it was a PowerPoint slide. Now it's an image that you can use in any type of image editing tool. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the little bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I put out new content. Thanks so much, and happy creating!